What's up, fam? Quick ride at my cousin's house. Planning a quick bike trip. Here's my lady waiting for me for once. Very unusual. I'm always waiting for the rider. This is just a quick ride over across town so we can plan our next bike trip together. We try to plan our events way ahead of time. I think our next road trip is probably Thunder Beach here in October. Just go over there and talk motorcycles. Go over there and talk shit. Have a couple of drinks. It's a Sunday, and we like to get out and ride our bikes. Nothing very special about this one. Just ride with me over across town right quick. Holla at me. pulling up to his house. So he is expecting us. We're usually outside watching football on Sundays, but listen at the Southern hospitality. Check this out.